Hey, welcome to the Android channel, and this is a little look and review of a device that I ordered from dealextreme.com. So Deal Extreme being a basically pretty much a Bard electronics and all sorts of gadgets website, and this is the I don't know how to pronounce it, BEITAI or BEITAI dual core Android 4.1 Google TV player with Wi-Fi, card reader, HDMI out, 1 GB RAM and 4 GB ROM, black, and this details for $43.70, free shipping. So what's that? It's basically a mini, it does say here Android mini PC, and it's basically really a mini PC that runs Android. Think of it if you have an Android phone, think of this as being a Android phone operating system into a USB or a HDMI little key that you plug into your TV directly, and it's really a small computer running the Android operating system. So what's in the box? Well, you've got this box. Inside the box, it has basically the little key that you see here. This is the computer itself, which is the amazing little part, the most important part. Has this little instruction manual and the power supply with the wire. Now notice one thing, power supply did not come with the good end for me. Actually, that's one thing you got to be careful if you order from Deal Extreme, is what plug comes in. If you have something that needs to be plugged into a outlet, you really need to check if it's the right plug for your region of the world. Now, I did not look that. I knew it because I ordered so many times, but for some reason I just didn't think about that. Of course, this is a universal adapter. It's from 100 to 240 volts. So you can buy a adapter, and it's gonna work in North America by plugging this into an adapter into your wall socket. I personally had a iPad. Actually, I tried it because I had two iPad power supplies because I have iPads at home. And basically what I did is I just plugged it in my iPad power supply to see if it works, and it works really well. So since I have only one iPad, what I did is I took one of the two adapters I had for my iPad and just plugged the device with it, and it works really well. So you basically need USB port that will give enough power, enough juice to power the adapter itself. So if you have a power supply with a USB type connector, it might work, but thing is rated at 2 amps, so it means that this adapter does consume quite a lot of power, so you gotta be careful with that. So in this video, I'm just showing you what's in the box. It's kind of a little unboxing, but also talking about it. I'll do a second video showing you how to plug it to your TV, how it works, and basically how it shows up on your screen. What's not included and really important, keyboard and mouse is essential if you want to work well with this. And what I use is basically a wireless keyboard. So what you do is that you plug in your wireless mouse or keyboard into the USB port at the back end of the device. The other connector here is for the power adapter. Comes with the wire that plugs in here. Basically, you see, this is a HDMI out. You can plug this directly into your TV and have it just stick out the back of your TV. or you can buy an extension wire for HDMI. It's really HDMI out for sound and for the computer itself. Let me tell you that this thing is quite amazing for $43. I was expecting something extremely slow and non-performance, zero performance. Actually, I was thinking that this, once plugged in, would be so slow that I don't think it would have been a good and interesting use. And I'm actually extremely surprised at this. For the model number, this is the BEITAI D07, and I'm actually going to show you the Deal Extreme page so you can actually view from where it comes from. And here is the view from the Deal Extreme page. Sorry about the movement here. And so this is BEITAI, B-E-I-T-A-I D07 dual core Android 4.1 Google TV player with Wi-Fi. Has a slot for cards, TF card reader. HDMI, 1 gig RAM, 4 gigs ROM. It's $43.70 as you see here, shipped to Canada free of charge. Really cool. Comes from Australia from what I see, and took about 2 weeks to arrive in Montreal. It was sent with a tracking number, which is pretty cool because it means that now you can track your device and see actually where it is. And well, for 43 bucks, I'm extremely surprised at this device, and I'm going to show you because they'll have another video showing you how it performs. Probably what's the longest is the loading time, you know, when it starts up. But once it's started up, it's pretty cool. It has Google Play for downloading apps. So you can actually download apps on this device, and I've actually downloaded a few of them, like Ustream, because I like to watch videos on Ustream, streaming stuff. Downloaded also Angry Birds, that I haven't tried yet because I don't have a mouse. I actually have only a keyboard, so I'm waiting for a mouse to really enjoy Angry Birds. And what's cool is that once you plug this in the wall socket for the power and you plug it in the back of your HDMI port on your TV, you just basically have a real cool PC that does almost anything you want. I've actually went to many websites to see if this thing was compatible with websites with the browser. It has a Chrome browser built in. It's really amazing. I mean, the thing really shows you almost any web page you want. I've actually thinking of buying a second one for another of my TVs here because I just find it so cool. I'd probably buy one. There's a little more expensive. This is really the basic one because at 43 bucks you get only 1 gigabyte of RAM on the device, yet you have this little slot on the side that will actually bring you the possibility to put a micro SD type card. So the 1 gigabyte RAM can be extended up to, I believe, 8 gigabytes. So by adding a little memory card, you actually will extend this quite a lot. So, but the thing is, this thing has, if you look at the features, this basically is a device. First of all, it runs Android 4.1. The chipset is the ROG chip RK3066, and the CPU is a Cortex A9. It's a single core processor, and it runs at 1.2 gigahertz. And so it has 1 gigabyte of DDR3 memory on the device. It has multiple languages: Czech, Danish, Dutch, English, Swedish, Spanish, French, Korean, Japanese, Italian, Greek, German, Norwegian, Polish, Portuguese, Russian, Chinese, Turkish. It plugs into your own network with the Wi-Fi, and can read MP3s, WMA, APE, FLAC, AAC, the waves, OGG, and supports external hard drives up to 1 terabyte, so you can actually plug in an external hard drive on this thing and have the external hard drive storage. So if you have, for example, movies on a external hard drive, you can actually plug your hard drive directly to this. It also have a network as a network server, so it means that when devices are when your computer's on, for example, and the network is available, you can actually stream from your own computer into this device movies. So it's very, very cool. It accepts special devices, so if you have a special Android keyboard, for example, or mouse, they will connect to this device on 2.4 gigahertz. So it's pretty cool. And has the Android market. Comes with the Facebook application. It is compatible. And so what you get in the box is the Google TV player, which is the this little device here. Hard to believe that this is a full computer running Android. It's just incredible technology today. It's really incredible. And so 43 bucks will bring you this amazing little thing. If you have more money to spend though, I would suggest that you check into the higher end. There are others at $70, $80, $90 that actually have dual core processors, much more memory on board, which will make the device faster, but also will help you store more applications on the device. Since I didn't know what I was expecting, I decided to buy the cheapest one they had. So it's a cool little device, and take a look at our video that will show you how to hook it up and what it looks like once it's started. You'll be pleasantly surprised at what I'm going to show you, I believe. So this is a cool video. If you have an Android device, a tablet, a phone, I think this is going to be a cool channel because I will show you different devices. Will also help you if you need help with your Androids. Devices need help in configs, or maybe you need help in with some applications and how it works. So slowly we'll build a nice channel with lots and lots of videos online. So this is Android Mini PC, and it's available on Deal Extreme for 43 bucks. Probably available in a lot of other places on the web. So if you enjoy these Android videos, click the subscribe button and you'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments or questions, let us know. And hey, hope to see you again on the Android channel here. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.